Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an eBay bargain. And when I say eBay bargain, I really do mean this. A whole £13 delivered to my door. Quite a lot of packaging. Really well wrapped. And there we have it. An allegedly 1/32 scale die-cast Deadpool taco truck in black. As you can see, all the great kind of Deadpool logos and stuff all over the packaging. It is made by Jada Toys. Bit of a fight to get it out of the box. And then actually even more of a fight to unscrew it from the bottom of the box. Really didn't want to come off. So there, finally, we have the taco truck. Deadpool logos, flames. I quite like that kind of stainless steel effect checker plate as well. None of the doors or the skylights open. However, the serving hatch does open. There is an interior in there, you can't quite see it in this light. I shall put up some still pictures of that. So you can see, looking in from above, there's kind of a fridge and a 4-ring hob and a hot plate. And here's a look from inside through the serving hatch. It's quite detailed for a little tiny die cast, really. But is it to scale? Well, if it's to scale, then a Ford Escort is about 25 feet long, so it's not. I reckon it's probably about 1/38 scale. Here's Mr. Thumbs Up Man, and he's about 9'6", if that van is to scale. So I suppose the only other question really is could you turn it into a slot car? Well, other than the fact it weighs about 150 grams, so probably not. Well, it's roughly the same sort of wheelbase as a normal slot car, but it is very top heavy. It would definitely tip over on the track if you could get it moving. So it's going to sit under the bridge on my track, serving tacos as a street food van. I might get some more and paint them up differently. Mr. Thumbs Up Man, well, he approves. As always, thank you for taking the time to watch one of my videos. If you liked it, you'll find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you smash the little bell, you'll get notifications of when new videos and posts go up. And I said I was going to mix these endings up a bit, so here's just one channel to check out.